Exhale, turn to the mirror here. Yeah, breathe it. Exhale down here. Put the leg in front. Put your hand down. Walk your leg back. Walk your leg back. Come. Right hand hold the leg. Move up to the sky. Turn your body up. Exhale down. Touch your left leg. One. Second time. Inhale up. Exhale touch. Put the leg down. Walk your leg. Walk your hands back. You squat down. You sit down. Move forward slightly. Put the leg. Bring the leg inhale up. Center back. Exhale down. Put inside. Feel for 1, 2, 3. Look up. Put the leg down. Inhale up. Drop to your right. Up. Drop to your left. Up. Drop one more time to your right. Up. Drop to your left. You come back to the front here now. Come, use your leg. Inhale up. Exhale, open your leg. Wide. Turn to your right. Look inside. Pull yourself down. Stay 1, 2. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale to your left. Pull yourself down. Stay 1, 2. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go to the front. Go down completely. Stay 1, 2. Come up. Inhale up. Exhale, fold your right leg. Right hand hold. Left hand down. Right hand hold. Right hand hold. Open up. Stay 1, 2. Come. Lift out your hand. Inhale, come up. Now turn to the mirror now. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Pick up the other leg. Half foot in your leg. Lift the legs up. Don't fall. Stay 1, 2. Lay down. You fall. Go. Round the back. Inhale. Up. Down. Open the leg. Lift up. All the way. Chin down. Stay 1, 2. Inhale, come up. Close the leg. Bring your ring up. Turn to the camera. Straight back. 1, 2. We are done.